If you manage rental property in Tennessee, you need to know about the Uniform Residential Landlord and Tenant Act. That's Tennessee Code Annotated Title 66, Chapter 28. This is the backbone of landlord-tenant law in the state, and it lays out your habitability obligations clearly. Under Tennessee law, landlords must comply with all applicable building and housing codes, maintain the roof, walls, and structural components in good repair, keep plumbing and electrical systems functioning, provide running water and reasonable amounts of hot water, maintain heating systems, and in some cases air conditioning if it was provided as part of the lease, and keep common areas safe and clean. Here's something that sets Tennessee apart. The state specifically requires landlords to maintain smoke detectors in rental properties. Failing to install or maintain them isn't just a habitability issue, it's a separate statutory violation that can create real liability. If a landlord fails to maintain habitable conditions, Tennessee tenants have some strong remedies. They can give written notice of the problem, and if the landlord doesn't fix it within a reasonable time, usually 14 days for most issues, the tenant may be able to terminate the lease or pursue legal action for damages. One important note: Tennessee does not allow rent withholding as a tenant remedy, so the enforcement mechanisms work differently here than in states like New York or California. For the full breakdown of Tennessee's habitability requirements, head to tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com and subscribe so you stay current on every state's landlord-tenant laws.